Children, today I will be teaching you new topic, exponents and powers. So rational number already we have done. So you know, if a is any rational number and m and n are positive integers, so a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power n plus n. It means if base are same and we have to multiply them, so power will be added. This is 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5. So you will see here base is 2 and the power is 4 and here power is 5, but multiply sign is there. So by first law, if multiply sign is there on the same base, we have to add the power. So it will be 2 to the power 4 plus 5. So that is 2 to the power 9. So where 2 is the base, 2 is the base and 9 is the power. So 2 to the power 9 is known as in exponential form. Exponential form is a form which is carrying base also and power also. So here base is 2 and the power is 9. So this is known as exponential form. Suppose you have another example, 3 upon 2 to the power 5 into 3 upon 2 to the power 2. So here you will say see base is 3 upon 2 and here also base is 3 upon 2 and power here is 5 and here it is 2, but multiply sign is there. So I told you whenever multiply sign is there, simply you will add the powers. So it will be 3 upon 2 to the power 5 plus 2. So that is 3 upon 2 to the power 5 plus 2, that is 3 upon 2 to the power 7. This is also in exponential form because 3 upon 2 is a base and 7 is a power. Children, second rule is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. It means if base is same and division sign is there between them, so powers will be subtracted. So it will be a to m minus n, a to the power m minus n. So example based on this, 6 to the power 13 divided by 6 to the power 10. You will see here base is same 6, but division sign is there. So what we will do, we will subtract the powers. So it will become 6 to the power 13 minus 10. So it is 6 to the power 3. Next is 7 to the power 8 divided by 7 to the power 3. So again here division sign is there. We will subtract the powers. So it is 7 to the power 8 minus 3, that is 7 to the power 5. 5 upon 6 to the power 10 divided by 5 upon 6 to the power 8. Again base is 5 upon 6, same. In both the cases division sign is there. So we will subtract the powers, 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8. 5 upon 6 to the power 10 minus 8 is equal to 5 upon 6 to the power 2. 10 minus 8, 2. Now children, third rule is ab to the power m. So it will be a to the power m into b to the power m. It means if different base we will have but same powers, so power will be, you have to raise individually, like 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 4, 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the whole power 4. So you will multiply 4 by 2 also and 4 by 1 also. So it will become 3 to the power 2 into 4 into 5 to the power 1 into 4. So it will come out 3 to the power 2 into 4 8 and 5 to the power 4. So here base are different, so you will leave it in this exponential form. Children, next formula is a to the power m to the whole power n. So if these are different powers, power to the power, so powers will be multiplied. So it will be m into n. Like 5 to the power 2 to the whole power 3. So I have multiplied 2 and 3 here. So 2 into 3, 6. 5 to the power 6. 7 to the power 3 to the whole power 5. So 3 and 5 will be multiplied. 3 into 5. 3 into 5, 15. 7 to the power 15. Next is a to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a to the power n. If the power is negative, so we will bring it in the reciprocal. So it will become positive. If it is in the negative in the numerator, so we will bring it in the denominator, reciprocal. So minus 4 has become plus 4, minus n has become plus n. And if it is negative in the denominator, 1 upon a to the power minus n, and we will reciprocal it, it will become a to the power n, or you can say we can bring it in the numerator. So its power will become positive. Suppose you have 1 upon 3 to the power minus 5. So you want to make this power positive. So what will you do? You will bring it in the numerator, or you can say you will write on its reciprocal. So sign will change. Minus 5 has become plus 5. Next formula is a upon b to the power minus m. In this case you will see power is negative and you want to make it positive. So you will do reciprocal of the base. So it has become b upon a. So minus m has become m. Like 5 upon 2 to the power minus 7. So you want to make this minus 7 positive. So what you will do? You will reciprocal the base. 5 upon 2 will become 2 upon 5 to the whole power 7. Next is children, suppose you have minus a to the power n. So answer will be a to the power n if n is even. N is even. Like minus 2 to the power 8. So it will be 2 to the power 8 because 8 is even. And if minus a to the power n is minus, separate a to the power n if n is odd. Here minus 9 to the power 7. 7 is odd. 7 is odd. So answer will be negative. So it will be minus e to the power 7 or minus 9 to the power 7. So it will be minus separate and 9 to the power 7 separate because 7 is an odd number. Thank you children.